Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Tom and I'm David. And today we're excited because we're talking about something super useful, travel English phrases. Yes, if you want to travel or even if you're not traveling yet, these phrases are great practice. They're real simple and you can use them anywhere in the world. So stay with us, practice with us, and speak with us. And hey, if you enjoy learning English in a friendly way, don't forget to like this podcast and subscribe. Exactly. Now, let's start our travel English journey together. Main chat, real situations, easy vocabulary. Section 1, at the airport. Tom, let's begin with the airport. Simple phrases, clear English. Our first phrase is, where is the check-in counter? Say it with us. Where's the check-in counter? Good. This means, where do I go to check in my bag or get my boarding pass? Example, I'm new here. Where is the check-in counter? Very easy, very helpful. Next phrase, I have a reservation. You can use this at the airport, hotel, or even for a taxi. Example, hello, I have a reservation for the 10 a.m. flight. Let's repeat, I have a reservation. Nice. Okay, next situation, immigration. A common question you hear is, what is the purpose of your visit? This means, why are you coming to this country? Easy answers. I'm here for tourism. I'm here for study. I'm here for work. Short and simple. Let's repeat. Tourism, study, work, good job. Section 3, asking for help. Next phrase, can you help me? This is one of the most useful phrases in the world. Say it with us. Can you help me? Example, excuse me. Can you help me? I can't find my gate. Very good and very real life. Section 4, at the hotel. Let's move to the hotel. Phrase 1, I have a booking. It's like I have a reservation. Example, hello, I have a booking under the name David. Next phrase, can I have the Wi-Fi password? Everyone needs Wi-Fi. Simple English. Example, excuse me, can I have the Wi-Fi password? Easy. Repeat it one more time. Section 5, asking for directions. When we travel, we always get lost, and that's okay. Phrase, how do I get to? Say it with us. How do I get to? Example, how do I get to the train station? Next useful phrase, is it far, short, simple? Perfect for beginners. Example, is it far from here? Section 6, ordering food. Okay, my favorite part, food. I would like. This is a polite way to order food. Example, I would like a coffee. I would like a sandwich. Repeat, I would like good. Next phrase, can I have the menu? Example, hello, can I have the menu? Perfect. Let's talk about shopping. How much is this? Example, hello, how much is this? This is the easiest and most common question. Next phrase, do you have this in a different size? The example, hi, do you have this in a different size? Nice and simple. Section 8, at the taxi or bus. Next, transportation. Phrase, how much is the fare? Fare means price. Example, hello, how much is the fare? Next phrase, please take me to. Example, please take me to the city center. Section 9, asking for clarification. Sometimes people speak fast. It's okay to ask, can you repeat that? Example, sorry, can you repeat that? My English is beginner. Next phrase, can you speak slowly? Please, can you speak slowly? Very helpful in real travel. Section 10, travel safety language. Let's learn 2 important safety phrases. Phrase 1, I need help. Example, excuse me, I need help. My bag is lost. Next phrase, I'm lost. Excuse me, I'm lost. Where's the main road? These are basic but very important. Section 11, listening, repeat, practice. Okay, now let's practice listening and repeating. We say a phrase, you repeat. Both, let's go. Where's the check-in counter? I have a reservation. How do I get to? Can you help me? I would like a coffee. How much is this? Can you repeat that? I'm lost. Great job. You're improving already. Section 12, real life mini dialogue. Let's do a small, simple travel conversation. Tom will be the traveler. I will be the helper. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure, what do you need? How do I get to the bus station? Go straight, then turn left. It's not far. Thank you. Can you repeat that? Of course, go straight, turn left. The bus station is close. Great. Thank you so much. No problem. Have a good day. See? Short, real, and natural. And you can use this conversation anywhere in the world. Okay, friends, let's review the key phrases from today. Repeat after us. I have a reservation. Can you help me? How do I get to? I would like a coffee. How much is this? Can you repeat that? I'm lost. Great job today. You learned real travel English, easy vocabulary, and simple sentences. We're proud of you. Keep practicing with us. You're getting better every day. Before we go, we have a fun question for you. David, if you could travel to any country, where would you go? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers. Thanks for listening, friends. See you in the next episode. Both.